Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how can you download GitHub Desktop. So for downloading it, search here GitHub Desktop download. Now click on this link, download GitHub Desktop. So here you can see it is showing download for Windows. So if you are on Windows, click on it. So it is showing the downloading has been started. So just wait till this downloading ends. So now, as you can see, the downloader has been downloaded. Now double click it to install and just wait. A pop-up will show. So here you can see it is showing GitHub Desktop is being installed. It will launch once it is done. Means the desktop version is installed in our computer and it is setting up. So just wait. So here you can see it linked my GitHub account and automatically showing my account inside it. So this is how you can download GitHub in your computer. And if you want a full tutorial on how to use GitHub Desktop, you can let me know in the comments. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.